We will begin this slow-looking exercise by first sitting in an upright but relaxed posture, legs uncrossed if that is comfortable for you. Feet planted firmly on the floor. Send your awareness there. Feeling the ground beneath you, noting any sensations, tingles, or anything you may feel. Then, taking your attention to the contact of your body pressed into the seat of your chair, feeling the contact of your clothes against your skin, the air against your face and hands. And now let's take 3 deep breaths, following the timing of the circle on the screen. Breathe all the way in, hold, breathe all the way out, hold, breathe all the way in, hold, breathe all the way out, hold, breathe all the way in, hold, breathe all the way out, hold. Art can inspire a lot of thoughts in our minds. Very often, when we look at a painting, we immediately try to make sense of it. What does it mean, we might ask ourselves? Who painted it, and why? While there are many ways to interpret and interact with art, a good starting point is by taking the time to actually look at it. Let your eyes move slowly across the work, and notice where your gaze naturally rests. Let it rest there as long as it wants, and then move around freely again. As you do this, start thinking about some of the following. What is the medium of the work? Is it a painting? A photograph? A digital illustration? Begin to notice the colors, the shapes, the lines, textures, forms that you see. Now, let's take a slightly more directed approach. Pick a point or a detail of the work that you find most interesting, and from there, in a clockwise direction, start moving your gaze around. Try to notice every detail and object, really taking time to absorb what you are seeing. Beyond just the scene, you can think about the fact that it is an artwork too. Can you notice the artist's hand in the work? How do you think it was made? Perhaps you can think about the focus of the work. Where was your eye originally drawn to? And where do you find yourself drawn to now? What details become surprising that you may not have noticed originally? Can you see any connections in the image, any themes? Please take the next minute to view the painting with some of these thoughts in mind. When you're done with the video, please continue on to the next section.